This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Thursday, June 17th, 2010, and we're going to take a look at microimaging technology. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker MMTC. Quick look at the candles. Sees this in a bit of a sideways channel, also with a triangle in effect. That should tell you that the indicators will be somewhat neutral. Quick look is that they are. What you really want to see from here is this is one of those cases where the MACD and PPO are trending exactly the same. The basis for which the MACD and the PPO are formulated, they're based on similar indicators. There are times where they are exact, mirror images of each other. What you want to see is in this, what's going on here is an uptrend trying to develop. You're talking about a longer term chart here you're looking at. See this histogram's about ready to break through zero. We want to see that hold, or even going back into here, we want to see some uptrends continue to hold, give this chart some more strength. They're resetting right now. They're getting, like I say, they're in a bit of a channel, a triangle. So we'll go back and touch on that candles in a second. The ADX is down low. This is when it's down. The ADX is at 13. It's considered being in a trading pattern. You always want to see it from a long-term perspective get up into a trending pattern. That starts with breaking through 20, then holding above 30. The negative and positive DIs, both down low, showing there's plenty of room for it to move. It's very neutral at the moment. MFIs, sharp move upward. You can see that we're hopefully going to get more of a reset out of this. I wish that they were all down here just a little bit more. We want to see this reset so that they have more room to move. Actually, they're all up, moving pretty nice right now. Accumulation distribution is identical to everything else in the neutral area. See, it's actually got a bit of a triangle itself coming into effect here. All very neutral. We want to see this continue, though. It's making a move upward over this last couple months, month and a half. We want to see this continue. Chicken money flow is in a great position. You can see it kind of also put itself into a long-term triangle, still holding above zero. That's the chicken money flow shows that money's still coming in to MMTC. Still looks good. CCI very neutral around zero. Full stow has reset itself already, which is great. You want to see that. It's got a bit of a trend going on right here. Any sort of move in PPS, we're going to see that fall. We're going to try and get back above 50 and be bullish. Trix is very nice. You're talking about going back till January, end of December of last year, and we're looking to see this trend continue upward. You can see it's in a truly nice trend, nice channel right now from back 6 months ago. It's in a very nice channel. It can still come down and try and touch zero and make a move north, but the Trix is in a great position. When I talk about the triangle, we're looking at something right through this area. That's what I'm seeing. See that there's a lot of support at 40 cents. Held. It was some resistance right through here. It was support right through here. 40 cents is a key point for MMTC. We want to see it hold it. The bottom, of course, is 30 cents. If it gets down there, it should be a strong buy area because it should hold 30 again. As over the last 6 months, it's not wanted to go below that anyways. What we're looking for is this blue line is a 50-day moving average. The red line is a 20-day moving average. All the other short terms are tucked right in there together, nice and tight. We want to see this 50 break up through the 200. They call that a golden cross when it breaks through it, and then you want to see the PPS riding on it. So what we're going to be looking for is over the next couple weeks to see the 50-day continue its move north and the PPS to move through this 200 day is a strong source of resistance. The chart becomes very bullish when it's trading over both the 50 and 200 day. So we're looking for MMTC to make a move to the north side, break through this channel, ultimately get up here and challenge 75. That's what we want to see. First thing it's going to have to get through is that trend line and the moving average. It's going to be right in through here, around 64, is going to be a key source of resistance for it to come up and challenge 75. So right now we're looking for some volume to stay coming in strong. It's about 241,000. It's dropped off a little, but it's always usually tries to drop off when it gets towards the end of a triangle. So we're going to look for this to continue to push, take out 55. Then 65, and then challenge 75. That's the goal with MMTC. Hopefully we'll see that happen. This is Andy with QualityStocks, taking a look at microimaging technologies.